The economic world is changing so rapidly and unpredictably that it is the individuals or organizations that can pivot in order to meet the need of the markets that are really going to thrive. We have a lot of complex, multi-dimensional problems in the world right now, and we need creative, out-of-the-box thinkers to tackle them. For close to a decade, we had provided top-notch real estate services with very remarkable traction and milestone recorded locally and globally. The time has now come to extend our scope and open up new services for the benefit of humanity. Introducing Ruston Group. The Ruston Group, a conglomerate of repute, introduce new businesses, formation tech. As the world evolves to become more tech-enabled, companies are leading the drive for a more immersive future. The big question is, how well prepared are you? For us as a group, the future of technology is starting with us. Through our tech company, our mission is to make you and your businesses better through technology. Formation Technologies is an information technology company that specializes in digital business transformation and web-related services. We shall deliver globally services such as digital business transformation, web or internet products and services, machine learning and artificial intelligence services, web applications and web-related services. The Ruston Media Company, we believe that great work comes from strong design. Great work comes from thoughtful storytelling. Great work comes from a lot of hearts. We want to use the media to change the narratives. Through our media company, we are going to drive agendas, shape conversations, provoke actions. The RMC specializes in creative designs, capturing moments, creating quality content through graphics, video, and animation, and offer outdoor advertising services. We will deliver international standards of creativity, design, and production for clients globally. We will combine the talent of our team with global creative direction and leadership to produce the perfect package of innovative visuals, quality assurance, and technical capability. Our team can also help put your story in motion through documentaries.